Businesses today are required to make more critical decisions than ever in a very short time. To make the best decisions, they need as much information about their business's ecosystem as they can collect in real time, and most of this data is out there. In hundreds or even thousands of places outside the organization, there are plenty of signals, data that, when captured, interpreted, and connected together, can be transformed into game-changing insights. In order to do all this, companies need a way to tap into the data flow from all manner of sources, process and analyze it, and most importantly, connect it with actual business missions. This is when data becomes intelligence. At Signals, that's exactly what we do. We've brought together intelligence experts, data and computer scientists, and business professionals to help your company become an intelligence-driven organization. Our solution takes the many different business objectives you face every day and breaks them down into hundreds of intelligence tasks. Then, using our proprietary data collection and analytics technology, we uncover this intelligence to help you reach your goals and propel your business forward. The Signals solution provides you with end-to-end decision support intelligence across the product lifecycle, from new product development through product launch, all the way to gaining and maintaining market share. And it's designed to break down silos and compartmentalize thinking while presenting insights that are relevant to each organizational function. For example, we can identify unmet consumer needs and connect these findings with the technology landscape and your competitive environment to help your strategy, marketing, and R&D groups work together to build a great product and bring it to market. Basically, we help get everyone on the same page. Insights are delivered to you in three main ways: a dynamic cloud-based dashboard that allows you to see all the evidence you require right in front of you, periodical executive reports, and a highly customizable alert system that keeps you on top of all the developments in your ecosystem. In a sea of research and consulting firms, Signals offers something different: insights that lead to understanding, delivered to you quickly, clearly, and concisely. That's why so many successful Fortune 500 companies have trusted us to be their partner in making critical business decisions and building organizations that are truly intelligence-driven. Signals. Lead with intelligence.